Part of the Verge Guide to Working from Home. Slack, the instant messaging app of choice for many companies, has probably become a bigger part of your life if you're working from home. And while Slack is usually used for work, it's also very useful for conversing with friends and family. Slack offers paid plans, but anyone can sign up for the free version and create a workspace, a virtual space where you can set up different conversations and projects. Each of those conversations and projects on Slack are called channels. These channels function like chat rooms or group chats. While there isn't a limit to the number of channels you can make or private messages you can send in Slack, the free version will only let you see the last 10,000 messages sent in your. Here's an introduction to the basics of using Slack channels. Related. How to set up a Slack account. Create a channel. Join a channel. You can find channels to join via the channel browser. There are several ways to activate it. Add someone to an existing channel. While anyone can join a public channel in a workspace, they'll have to be added by a current member in order to join a private channel. If you're a member of a public or private channel, here's how to add a new member. Set a channel topic. At the top of your screen, underneath the channel name, is the channel topic. Topics can be useful for keeping people updated on the conversation or the current goals of that channel. You can also add a channel description, which lets others know what the channel's for. While the topic will appear under the channel name, the description will appear when you're browsing the channels. You can set or change the channel topic or description at any time. To set the topic, mute channels. Being a part of several channels on Slack can be overwhelming at times, especially when you're constantly getting notifications about unread messages from every channel you're in. You can mute channels that you're less interested in, which means the channel name on the left-hand side won't become bold every time someone sends a message. Here's how to do that. Update January 28, 2022, 1:40 p.m. Pacific Time. This article was originally published on April 2, 2020, and has been updated to account for changes in the Slack. The Verge Guide to Working from Home.